In this video, we are going to study about mathematical library methods. Okay, so the class name which contains all the mathematical library method is math. Okay, the first method is max function. So using max function, max is a function to give the largest number among two numbers. Okay, so here I am taking math dot max of two numbers, suppose 7 comma 8. Okay, this is just give the printing message. Then math dot max of 7 comma 8. 7 comma 8. So what is the output? Here output become 8. Okay, then next function is to print the smallest number in between two numbers. Okay, so the function you're supposed to use is min function, math dot min, to find the smallest number. So here suppose math dot min I'm giving. So what is answer? Answer is 7. Okay, answer should be 7. I will show at the end of this video. Then next method is, okay, we can try one negative number also. Suppose here max largest number minus 7 and minus 8. So what is the answer? Here we will get minus. So the answer should be largest among between minus 7 and minus 8 is minus 7. Okay, so same way we can do the smallest number also. Okay, next function is POW function. POW is a function to find the power of the number. Okay, to find the power of the number. So here you can give math dot POW. POW, suppose I am giving 2 comma 3. Okay, so what is the answer now? 2 raised to base is 2, then power is 3. Okay, so POW of 2 comma 3, the answer is 8.0. Okay, because the return value is double, math dot POW function always gives the result in double data type. That's why the answer should be 8.0. Okay, now I will show another case using POW function. Suppose the answer is, suppose the question is POW of 4, okay, 4 comma 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Now what is the answer? 4 is the power, so 4 is the base, 1 by 2 is the power. So 1 by 2, 1 and 2 are integers, so it will do an integer division. Okay, we will not get 0.5 because both are integers. So 1 by 2 is a 0. The quotient will be 0. Since both the numerator and denominators are integer, the answer quotient will be 0. So 4 raised to 0 is 1.0. 1.0 return data type is double, so we will get the answer 1.0. Okay, because here the power is 1 by 2. 4 raised to 1 by 2 means 1 and 2 are integers, so the answer quotient should be 0. Okay. So if you want to raise the power 0.5, okay, you want to give the power as 0.5, so you will get the 4 raised to 0.5. Answer is square root of the number. Okay. Now the answer should be math dot, suppose 4 comma 4 comma 1 by 2.0. Now what is answer? 1 by 2.0 means it is 0.5. Okay, 4 raised to 0.5 is, you have to take the square root of the number. Okay, square root. So what is answer? Square root of 4 is 2.0. 2.0. This is the answer. Now we will see another case. Suppose, okay, system dot same function we have to copy. Okay, 4 raised to, suppose the question is 625. Okay, 625 by 1 by 4.0. 1 by 4.0, you will get the fourth root of 625. If it is 1 by 3.0, you have to take the cube root. 1 by 2.0 square root. 1 by 4.0, we have to take the fourth root of the base. So here what is the answer? 625 divided by 1 by 4.0. The answer should be 5.0. Okay, 5.0. Okay, so these are the different cases of POW function. Next function is ABS function. So here ABS function returns the positive value. If the input is negative number, it will return positive value. So math dot ABS of, suppose, minus 67. What is answer? Math dot ABS of minus 67. The answer will be 67. Okay. That means if the input is a negative number, the answer should be a positive number. Next function is SQRT. Okay. SQRT is a function to find the square root of the number. This function also returns the double value. Okay. So here I am going to give SQRT, math dot SQRT is a function. So I am giving 144. Okay. So if you know, square root of 144 is 12, right? SQRT, then 144. The answer should be 12.0. Here also written data type is double. That's why the answer should be 12.0. Okay. Now, next we are going to see math dot round function. Okay. Round, some conditions are there for round function. So here math dot, I'm going to copy this println statement. Okay, now we can give math.round round of 9.8. Okay, math.round of 9.8 is, it will if the fractional part is greater than equal to 0.5, the answer should be the next highest integer. So math.round of 9.8 is, what is answer? It will be 10. Then return data type is int or long. Okay, the return data type is int or long. So here 9.8 is a number, so answer should be 10. If it is a large number, you will get the long data type. Okay, the answer should be converted into long data type. Here in this example, it is a small number, so the answer is 10. That means data type should be int. Int and long are the possible data type of round function. Next, we have to see another example for round. Suppose for negative numbers, if greater than 0.5, if the number is, the fraction part is greater than 0.5, you can see the answer should be converted into the next lowest number. Okay, so here the input is minus 9.8. So what will be the answer? Minus 10. Okay, minus 10 is the answer. Next lower integer is minus 10 is the nearest lower integer of minus 9.8. Okay, now we can consider one more example. Suppose the 9.2, math.round of 9.2, the answer should be the integer part itself. So here integer part is 9, so the answer is 9 itself. Okay, then if it is 0.5 and greater than 0.5, we will get to the next highest integer. Okay, the next function is math.ceil function. Ceil function will returns the nearest next highest integer. Okay, so here suppose math.ceil always give the highest integer, nearest next highest integer. So here I'm giving 56.2. Okay, whatever the fraction part, it will give the next highest integer. So ceil of 56.2. What is the answer? The answer should be, next highest integer is 57. Okay. Now suppose this is a negative number. Okay, negative number also, it will return the next highest integer. So what is minus 56.2? Minus 56.2, the nearest next highest integer of minus 56.2 is minus 56. Okay, minus 56. Minus 57 is smallest integer, right? So here next highest integer is minus 56. Okay, then next function is, then ceil function also returns the result in double data type. So 57.0, sorry, 57 point, here also 56.0. Since the return data type is double, the answer should be in decimal form. The next function is floor. Okay, it is just the opposite of ceil function. Ceil function always gives the highest integer, but floor function gives the lowest integer. But answer should be in double data type. Okay. So here we can take the same input. So what is math dot floor? Floor of 56.2. Answer should be smallest integer is 56. Okay, 56.0. Okay, math dot floor, the nearest smallest integer of 56.2 is 56 itself. Okay, then if it is negative number, okay, if it is negative number, we have to check one more case. For negative, suppose I am taking here minus 90.8, minus 90.8. What is the answer? Minus 90.8, nearest smallest number is minus 91.0. Okay, minus 91.0. Minus 91 is less than minus 90.8. So floor function returns the nearest smallest integer of the given number. Okay. Now let us see the result. You have to check whether all the results are correct or not. Okay, math dot max of 7.7, 8 is largest number is 8. Then minimum smallest number among 7 and 8 is 7. Then next one, math dot max of minus 8 and minus 7. Minus 7 is the largest number. Then math dot power of 2, 3. Base raised to power 2 raised to 3. Okay. So 2 raised to 3 is 8.0. Then next case 4 raised to 1 by 2. So here we have to do the integer division since numerator and denominator are in integer. So then we will get 4 raised to 0, 1. Then POW function returns double value, double data type. So 1.0 is answer. Okay, then here we are doing we gave the denominator as decimal number. So it will take a 4, 0.5. 0.5. That means square root of 4. Okay. 4 raised to 0.5 means this is square root of 4. So you will get 2.0. Then here another case 625 raised to 1 by 4.0. That means fourth root of 625. That is 5.0. 5 is the answer, but POW function returns double value. So 5.0. Then ABS function returns positive number. Math.abs of minus 67 equal to 67. Then it depends on the input. Output will depends on the input. If the input is decimal number, output will be also in decimal form. Okay, so return data type depends on the input. Then SQRT 144. Here also SQRT function returns a double value. So 12.0 is answer. Then math dot round function, if the fractional part is greater than equal to 0.5, we get to the next highest integer. So 10 is answer. Then return data type is int or long. Then method of round off minus 9.8 is, it will give the next lowest integer, so minus 10. Then method of round off 9.2, let's, if the fractional part is for positive numbers, if the fractional part is less than 0.5, we get the integer. Negative numbers also, if it is 0 to 0.5, if the fractional part is, for negative numbers, the fractional part is 0 to 0.5, we will have to take the next, integer part. Okay, integer part. More than 0.5, it will get, we have to take the next lowest integer. Then CL function, whatever the fractional part, always gives the highest integer. Okay, so 56.2, the answer is 57, but it will give the answer in double value. So 57.0, return data type is double. Then minus 56.2 is minus 56. Minus 56 is the nearest highest integer of minus 56.2. Then floor of 56.2, the nearest lowest integer is 56. Okay, then 0.0, since the return data type is double. Then minus 90.8 equal to minus 91.0, the nearest lowest integer of minus 90.8 is minus 91.0. Okay.